Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start technique number 4. Very easy, very simple. We can solve shortcutly some problems within 5 seconds or 4 seconds. We can find the result. So the technique number 4 given, if the cost price of A articles is equal to the selling price of B articles. Cost price of A article is equal to selling price of B article, then profit percent is equal to A minus B by B into 100%. This is the formula. If cost price A equal to selling price of B articles, A articles and selling price of B articles, these are equal. Cost price of A article is equal to selling price of B article, then profit percent is equal to A minus B by B into 100%. This is our option, formula. And we consider one problem. If the selling price of 20 articles is equal to cost price of 22 articles, then gain percentage is 12%, 9%, 10%, 11%. So here given, we consider solution. So profit percent means, so we consider here this is selling price 20 article, cost price 22. This is 22, B equal to 20. So the profit percentage requirement, profit percentage or gain percentage. Gain percentage equal to A minus B by B into 100%. This is our formula. And putting the values, A means 22, this is 20, B means 20, this is 100. 2 by 20 into 100. So this is 20, this is 10, 1 0 cancel, this is 10% answer. Answer is 10%. So option C is our correct option. So this is our answer. Just simply putting the value, and no need to write formula. Just 22 minus 22, 2 by this, just write on this line. No need to write this formula. Directly write this and cancelling, you get 10%. So this will be dependent upon your practice. Consider another problem. If the cost price of 16 tables is equal to the selling price of 12 tables, then the gain percent is, so gain percent is 33.5, 20%, 30%, 15%. This one given. Now we want to find the result in shortcut method. This method, cost price here A equal to 16, B equal to 12. Therefore, gain percent equal to A minus B by B into 100%. A 16 minus 12 by B 12 into 100%. This is 4 by 12 into 100%, and this is 1 by 3, that means 100 by 3%. This is 1 by 3%, and this is our answer. So option A is the correct answer. This correct option is the answer. Consider another problem. The difference between the CP and SP of an article is 240. If the profit is 20%, then the selling price is 1440, 1400, 1240, 1200, and it was set in SSC 10+2 2011. Now the problem is that here given difference between CP and SP. CP and SP, which one we write first, which one we write second? But here given profit given. Profit means SP minus CP. So you have to write SP minus CP. Here SP minus CP equal to rupees 240 given. So we know profit equal to SP minus CP. We know this formula, and this is 240. This one. And profit percent also given. Since profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100%. This one. And this is profit percent given 20. We write 20, and profit we get 240. CP and profit percent, and this is 100% remains same. CP taking this side, this one taking this side. CP equal to 240 by 20 into 100. This one. If we cancelling this, 0 0 cancel, we get 12, 1200. CP equal to 1200. But actually our requirement SP. So we know profit equal to SP equal to profit plus CP. Profit plus CP, this is our SP. Our requirement selling price. So profit is, what is profit? This is 240. And CP is 1200. This is 0441, and this is our answer, 1440. This is the answer. SP is 1440. Now we consider another problem. By selling a cell phone for rupees 2400, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 25%. Then his profit percentage, if he had sold it for 2040, is 10%, 6.25%, 6.5%, 15%. And it was set in SSC 10 plus 2, 2012. So this is our problem. Now solution is start. What are given here? SP given. SP equal to 2400, and profit percent given equal to 25%. This one. And then his profit percentage we have to find if he had solved this. Here CP we don't know what will be the CP, because SP given, profit percent given, but CP we don't know. CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percent. 100 into SP means what? 2400. This is 100. Profit percent means 25. 125. 100 into 2400. And this is, if we cancelling, then 1200 we get. This is 100, and this is 5, this is 4, 5, 5 4s are 20, 8, 0, 840. If we multiplying all of this, then we get this. So this will be 1920. We get CP. CP equal to 1920. Now we get CP, and here given SP given. SP equal to next given 2040. So profit equal to SP minus CP. This is 2040 minus 1920. This is 021. We get 120, profit equal to we get 120. But our requirement profit percentage, since profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100%. Profit just we get 120, CP we know 1920 into 100%. This one. So we cancelling this. If we cancelling all of this, we get 6.25. 0 0 cancel and all of this cancel, we get 6.25%. This is our answer. So option B is the correct option. So this problem is easy. First part is given, SP given and profit percent given. From this we find CP by using this formula. And we have CP and also SP given, we have to find profit percent. SP and CP we find profit, SP minus CP we get this, and profit percent means profit by CP into 100, this answer we get. So dear students, this type of problem is very easy, very nice, very simple. No one can say this problem is difficult, the solution is difficult. So I hope you are all enjoying with this type of problem. If you are all enjoying with this type of problem, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.